Start చేద్దాం.
Start.
Hi, welcome to Enhance 42. Since you are interested in the details of the program, I want to record the details in a video and share it with you. So here I have my brother Banu. He'll be asking the questions. Okay. So we'll try to answer most of the questions what you have. Okay.
Okay. So what is Enhance 42?
So what is Enhance 42? So actually many people what they do is like they put a goal and try to achieve that. Okay, when you focus on a goal and try to achieve that, you will be narrowed down and try to miss many of the things. So we think there is another approach where you try to enhance your capabilities. Like for example in software, you try to enhance your capabilities such that if you want to learn any new language, you should be able to learn in 2 weeks. I can learn Python, C, I know all these languages, that is one way. Otherwise, like I can learn any language in 2 weeks because the industry changes very fastly. So tomorrow new language might come. So if you have this capability, you are done for life. Whatever language you come, you learn in 2 weeks. So that's the goal. High level goal is to become capable in the core things of software domain.
Okay. So what is the goal of Gateway to R&D program?
So goal of the Gateway to R&D program is to actually make you capable to become a developer in a R&D company. So make you ready for an R&D company. There are many R&D companies in India and abroad where they pay huge salaries. For example, for a fresher, they pay like 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh. So the amount of time that you spend in your engineering is same whether you target for a service company or for a product company. It's the same time you spend. It's up to you where you want to spend. So what I observed is when we teach first year students or second year students the right way, the programming, in their career they'll go a long way. So that's why we want to keep the first step. The first step is make you capable in developing any language, make you develop programs in any language. Okay. So this is the goal.
What is the course structure?
Course structure. So we'll be using Python language as a medium. The goal is not to learn Python. Python is a language, is a medium in order to learn computer science fundamentals. So every language if you take, there are some of the core concepts across all programming languages. So we'll try to execute, means we'll try to solve problems specific to those things and learn those capabilities. Okay, such that when you go to a new language, it will be like obvious. Okay, this is just a syntax I need to learn. Rest should be obvious. Okay, so we'll focus on the core fundamentals of computer science using Python as a medium.
So here you're making people ready to work in product-based companies. Have you any industry experience?
So coming to my experience, after completing my BTech in Geetham College, I did my MTech in IIT Kanpur. Okay. So after completing computer science in IIT Kanpur, I worked in Veritas in Pune. So this is a product company which used to replicate hard disks and all those things. And later I moved to Microsoft where I worked in Windows OS team. To be specific, I worked in Windows OS server team. Okay. In Windows OS server team, we used to develop remote desktop related services and all those things. So I got a patent as part of, I worked in 7 years, close to 7 years in Microsoft. So I got a patent as well in that. And after that, I got interested in iPhone related things. So I moved to iOS roles in Kony Labs. There I worked for a few years. And then along with my 2 of my friends, I started a company that is also mobile based in iOS and Android, where we provide an SDK to, that's a retention analytics related product. So all these are product companies which I worked in and I experienced. That is my industry experience.
Have you done any courses like this prior?
So coming to the courses earlier, so in 2018, like 2 years back, so I did a program in Vignan College. Okay, when they are in first year in second semester, and that is also Gateway to R&D program. So in that program, actually, I these are few of the students like Sai Sampath, Sai Bhaskar, or Girish. Okay, so now they are in final year, and recently Sai Bhaskar and Girish have completed all the rounds on Amazon company. Even the HR round, all the rounds are happening. They are waiting for the results. In 3 days, the results will come. Okay, so that is in 2018. Recently, I have trained Geetam faculty, 35 members of Geetam faculty, and they have a good experience. And there's a feedback from the students also, from their classes, who are giving feedback like they're doing well. So this is my experience related to this. And not only this, I have trained few of the company, for a corporate company, I trained for 25 people for a developer ready. And I made iOS developers in 2010. In 2010, I made around 40 to 50 people capable iOS developers. Okay, and it's not about getting a job in iOS. I made them grow in their career, right? So they are all in good positions today. Okay, this is the experience.
Okay, so let's get into the.
Yeah, like I just want to tell a small story here, or share something. So there's a name Harsha who came to me when I'm trying iOS training. He said, I completed BTech. It is like 3 years gap is there. Will I get a job? I said, if you do, you'll get a job. So, but I'm not fully confident because it took 7 years to complete BTech. But what happened is after 3 months, he got 4 jobs. He has to choose which job he wants. The main thing what I observed is he's very passionate or interested in iOS, and he want to learn. Okay, that is the time when I got confidence that I can make anyone into a capable developer if they are willing and interested. Okay, so the key thing what I see from students is, are they interested? If they are interested, it is very easy to make them into a developer. And when you do this same thing in first year, they'll go very long. They'll do very bigger things in the whole 4 years, and they'll have better careers in their life.
So let's get into the execution of the course. So what are the class timings?
So this is an online mode where we'll be having classes between 6 to 8 in the evening. Weekly, we'll have 3 classes. Each class will be around 1 to 2 hours. Okay, and assignments, doing this, and all those things will be there to get the practice ready. And that's about the class timings. Deepavali, okay. Before Deepavali, if you pay, the batch will start on 16th. Okay, so you need to register before 15th. If you want more details, like normally if you want more details, actually in this page we have these things. If you click on these buttons, you can send an WhatsApp message to us. Okay, we'll share you more details. Great. So waiting for you all to. I want to impart confidence in youth. Okay, so such a way that they are very excited and capable and enthusiastic in their work. Okay, so that's the goal. I wish you come to us and we both can travel this journey for the 3 months, and I'll make sure you'll become capable in programming. Thank you very much. Thank you. You want to come once?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, bye.